Dawn mission officially ended just 2 days ago while everyone was trick-or-treating.
We've had Marc Rayman here before, and I think we'll probably have him come back again soon. Maybe even, we should invite him for next month.
The Dawn mission was launched in 2007, has an ion propulsion. You don't want to have an ion propulsion on your car because it will take you from 0 to 60 in 4 days, but it works for the Dawn spacecraft. Of course, we've seen some of the results from Dawn, and the first, of course, it arrived at Vesta in 2011, gave us these beautiful views of an asteroid just 380 miles across, and of course Ceres with those mysterious white spots we were wondering about. We got close-up pictures of it, there they are. The kind of salts evaporated on the surface of Ceres. Ceres also holds a record for the largest mountain, 13,000-foot Huna Mons, probably a cryovolcano, perhaps. With the loss of signal from Dawn, it maintains an orbit that takes it as close as 22 miles and 2,500 miles at its farthest. But it's going to do this for about 20 years, and it's actually planetary protection compliant for the time being, and it will have a 99% probability of maintaining that orbit in 50 years. So from that, we bid farewell to the Dawn mission, but the scientists are going through all the data, and there'll be results in the future.